Okay, good morning. And as we're talking about steps of strength and unity, right? We're on day 15, the power of patience. We gotta have patience, right? Hey, family, just welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. Let's talk about something that every family needs more of, and that's patience. With each other, with the people around. So let's be real. Families can test your patience like no one else. But Proverbs 14:20 reminds us, whoever is patient has great understanding, but one who is quick-tempered displays folly. Patience isn't about ignoring problems. It's about handling them with grace. When we practice patience, we create a home filled with love instead of frustration. And so today, here's the challenge. And I'm challenging you, the next time you feel annoyed or frustrated, pause, take a deep breath, and respond with patience. Whether it's with your kids, your spouse, sibling, choose understanding over anger. I know how hard it is, but patience isn't weakness, it's strength in action. So let's reset our homes by choosing grace over frustration, and we will see you tomorrow for another step forward in our strength and unity. Patience, patience, patience. Hardest thing to do, but don't pray for it because, oh my gosh, you'll have all kind of things happening. So just think about, how can I be patient? Take a breath, 10 breaths maybe. We'll talk to you tomorrow.